In this video, we'll cover how to set up the LanPoE web relay. There are two methods to set up the web relay. The first method is to use Advanced IP Scanner. To get started, connect the web relay to a PoE switch. The web relay is on DHCP, which is not static IP, so we will have to find the IP address using the Advanced IP Scanner tool to scan your network to find the IP address. The relay's IP address will be under Relay. Select Relay, then copy and paste the IP address into your web browser. Next, log in using the credentials, which are both admin. For security reasons, we recommend changing the password on the first attempt. If not, you will be asked to change it on each login. The second method is to connect via Wi-Fi AP. First, locate the device in Wi-Fi list, which will be titled Relay, followed by 4 characters with dashes in between. Enter the password, which is password. Once connected to Wi-Fi, navigate to the IP address 192.168.7.1, which is the device setup AP. The official IP address is listed under Ethernet IP. If you do not see the official IP address, select Enable Wi-Fi Station to manually connect to your Wi-Fi settings to populate the official IP address. Next, reconnect to your local Wi-Fi network. Then copy the official IP address into your web browser. Use the credentials to log in. For more information, please contact us.